Hey guys, you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. When we come back, got a brand new truck from Haiboxing right after this. Hey, welcome back everyone. Donnie here, and thanks for joining me today on this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, today I got a brand new truck from Haiboxing. This is a 1/24 scale, 4-wheel drive, full proportional steering truck. This thing's pretty awesome, you guys. So what I'm going to do is take you for a little bashing first, let you check out the truck, how well it runs, and then please stay tuned at the end to see a quick unboxing. So right now, let's go for a bashing. Alright guys, I'm out here with the Fire Runner. Gonna take this 1/24 scale out here and do a little bashing and see how it does. This thing is actually awesome. Proportional steering. You can actually go and adjust the steering right here, so that way you can get the trim all straightened out. You got normal speed, and then you got slow speed, which slow speed's pretty fast, and you can reverse the steering if you want as well. But let's go and try it in slow speed first and see how it does. You just want to hold this down for about 3 seconds. Alright, I should turn it on. Go ahead and turn the controller on. Yep, we have power. Alright, let's give this thing a shot. Slow speed. This thing's going to be a pretty fun little truck. Alright, let's go and put it in normal speed. Oh yeah, a lot better. Wow, that thing really gets going. That's cool. Oh, this thing's super fun. Let's see if I can get up here. See if I can climb up this or not. Whoa. That's a pretty cool little truck, man. Let's see how fast it is. Wow, that thing is pretty fast. Wow. How do you like that thing? Fun. It's fun, huh? Let's see what the range is on this, you guys. And so far we can go to the end of the little parking lot here, which is pretty cool. Let's see if this thing can jump this, and it does. Oh, nice. Yeah, this thing's super fun, you guys. What a great little truck. Alright, you guys, I'm not going to sit here and keep running in circles. You guys pretty much get the point. I just wanted to show you how this thing runs. Really good truck, you guys. This is my first 124 scale, and this Fire Runner is pretty awesome, you guys. So I'll leave a link down in the descriptions to the company that you can find it on Amazon. If you guys stick around, I'll do a quick unboxing so you can see what comes in the package. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Stick around for the unboxing coming up next. Alright guys, hey, thanks for sticking around for the unboxing. Just wanted to go over what comes inside the box. I did lose one of the pins when I was out there bashing around there, which I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was super fun. You know, Haiboxing sent this. They're actually straight from the manufacturer, which was awesome. I was so glad that they sent it out because this is definitely a really good truck for as small as it is. Usually I've gotten little trucks like this and they didn't have full proportional steering. They didn't even have independent suspension, and their tires weren't as nice as these ones. And I tell you, Haiboxing is a really good company, guys. If you haven't tried their products out, definitely get something sometime because they're really nice. But this thing is just really cool. This is new. They're gonna add this over onto Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and supply that link because they want to promote it there for now. But you can also check out their Facebook group. I'll leave a link for that as well. You can see their products or what's coming out new. But this thing's pretty awesome, you guys. Take the canopy off. Got the antenna here. It's 2.4 gigahertz. You got a plug right here, which I'm going to use sometime to hook up my FPV camera and run my goggles with the 5.8 gigahertz camera. But this is actually made for they give you two LED lights that come into one unit and plugs in right there, which is pretty cool. So I just got to plug them in right up here for the little front lights. I didn't do that. I just took it out banshing first. But they give you a little instruction book here on how to do that. Phillips screwdriver as well, and a zip tie to help hold down this cord underneath. So they do supply that. This little brushed motor, they actually put a cooling fins on there, which makes it pretty nice. So help cool that motor when you're going pretty fast, because this thing actually moves pretty good. It's got 4 independent suspension. They're just spring shocks, so I don't see no oil in these ones as far as I can tell. No oil, because you can see the little screw that goes down in here. So I mean, you could probably change that out later if you want. It stops some of that bouncing that this thing does when you're going pretty fast. But for now, it does really well. I like how they put a lot of metal pieces in here. Same with the skid plates, metal. Got your on and off button here. You have to hold and press for 3 seconds to turn it on, and do the same to shut it off. The battery here, these just pop off. You got 2 of these. They look like a AA battery, but don't use AA's. Use their batteries in here. This one is 800 milliamps and it's 3.7 volts. So like I said, you got dual of those, one on each side here. So, and they provide plenty of power for this thing. As you guys could see in the video, this thing ran really well. I'm still impressed on how well this thing ran. So definitely a big fan of this little truck that they put out here. You got your controller here. You can reverse the steering. Then you got normal speed, which this thing, you guys could see, ran pretty fast. Then you got slow speed for beginners and probably like kids, that way they don't oversteer, because it goes pretty fast in normal speed and you can definitely lose control on oversteering it. But that's pretty much it. This little light comes on here to let you know it's looking to bind with it. Once it goes solid, that means it is bound with the truck. Alright, and then you got these extra stickers here for the canopy. They already put some of them on already. You can go and put some more little stickers on the back, or you can change the windows and make them gray instead of see-through right now, because right now you can see through. They're just They're just tinted. So that's pretty cool. You got an excellent manual here. It's all in color, which I love how they do that. And it shows all the functions, all the parts that come in here. So definitely well detailed for you guys. You got the charger, which you can just plug in. You can add an adapter and plug it in the wall, or plug it into your computer and charge both of those batteries. It tells you which way to put them in. These will light up and start flashing red and green. Once it's charged, these will stay solid green, okay? They also give you a service card, so that way any problems you can get a hold of them, and you can actually write some your details here and send the card in as well. But anyways, that's basically it, you guys. It's an awesome truck, as you can see in the bashing. Did really well, very durable. I flipped this thing numerous times and it did just fine. So like I said, I'm probably gonna use that plug, put an FPV camera on here and do some FPV driving. That'd be perfect. Perfect size to mess around with too. Gets plenty of range too, as you can see in the video. Plenty enough for this little truck. So alright guys, I sure appreciate you watching. Haiboxing, thank you guys so much for sending this out. Like I said guys, I'll leave a link for Amazon where you can purchase this. This is actually coming straight from the manufacturer, but I'll leave the Amazon link. And I'm going to leave you their Facebook group, so you can check out their Facebook group. Got any questions, or you want to see new products coming out, you guys can check out that Facebook link I'll leave in the description. So alright you guys, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe. Definitely hit the notifications, so that way when we do get a new product from Haiboxing, you guys can see the review on it as well. So alright everybody, God bless, cheers, and happy driving.